Hey geeks, so traveling, especially international travel, could be an absolutely incredible thing, especially if you're in a place that has amazing food. But of course, the bad thing with having so many amazing options for eating is the fact that, well, you could get super unhealthy, and that's never a good thing. So today, I'll be showing you how you could keep really healthy while you're out traveling, especially international traveling. And it's really simple, just walk a lot. So if you're in a city like Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where I am, it's really easy for you to walk around everywhere in the city. And because of that, I'm getting a lot of exercise. So let me show you what I have right now. So right now I have, let me see, how many steps do I have? I have 25,016 steps. Hopefully you can see that. And then how many miles is that? That is 12.3 miles. And so because of that, I'm definitely getting my cardio in, getting all my steps in, and at the same time, really enjoying what this place has to offer. And so if you're out traveling, just try to get some steps in and enjoy while keeping healthy. And so today I'm gonna be showing you KLCC Park. I did do a video where I went through this during the daytime, and I'll put that in the description area below. But now I'm going to show you how things look like at night, because it's also very beautiful. I would say even more so at night because, well, there's all this color, and you really can't beat that. And there are a lot of people out here, but there's also a lot of people that are still here at the park. So let me show you how this looks like. And here it is, KLCC Park at night, next to the Petronas Twin Towers and Surya KLCC Mall. And the thing is, the way they've made this park, and just the city in general, it is very safe. And they want people to come out and enjoy this no matter what time of the day. And as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. And as stated earlier, it is very safe for you to just come out here, walk at night, enjoy what Kuala Lumpur has to offer, and be around a lot of people. There's a lot of people here, so there's no issues with you coming here at night. And I highly recommend it because, well, at night it's a lot cooler than the day. It's just so humid during the day and hot, and especially if it's really sunny. Just coming out here at night and getting your evening exercise is also amazing. As you can see, people are on the trail, they're jogging, they're walking, but it's just so beautiful and refreshing. I can't think of a better way to come enjoy your evening, get some great exercise, and also just marvel at everything that this city has to offer. Then you get absolutely stunning views. And so that is KLCC Park at night in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. If you actually had any thoughts on this or any other places that you enjoy, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.